Hey designers! In this video, I'll show you how to add texture to your text or motion graphics in After Effects. Start by creating a new composition, then select the text tool and type your text. Choose a font you like and align the text both vertically and horizontally in the composition. Next, import your texture file. This can be a video or an image, and place it below the text layer in the timeline. Now duplicate the video layer by pressing Ctrl+D. To apply the texture, change the text layer's track matte. If you don't see the track matte option, press F4 on your keyboard to reveal it. Select the duplicated video layer in the track matte. Click on this icon to change it to Luma Matte. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel, or enable it from the window menu if it's not visible. Search for Curves and apply it to the duplicated video layer. If your video is light-colored, adjust the curve from the right side. If it's dark, move it from the left side. This helps control how the texture appears on your text. Okay, now after adjusting the graph, select the text layer, go to Effects, then to Stylize, and choose CC Glass. You can also search for CC Glass in the Effects and Presets panel if that's easier for you. Once it's applied, go to the Surface options under CC Glass and change the bump map to the duplicated video layer. Now let's increase the softness to around 117 and set the height to 100. If you feel like increasing the softness even more, you can adjust it as needed. Now preview the animation, and you'll see that your text or motion graphic has a nice textured effect applied. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.